Hey, what's up, Cardano Holders? So this is the 1st October of 2021, my brother, and definitely all crypto market is absolutely very fastly fares down. I can't expect these my friends to do fares down like that, but definitely all holders are starting selling, so therefore the price is decreasing. Minus 1.01% in first day they were lost just in early in the morning, my brother. So kindly, if you are a short-term investor, then urgently, my brother, please hold now. If you're starting selling, so definitely this coin will more fades down. And absolutely, as you can see here, some holders are starting investing in the start of month. So therefore, you can see here the price is pumping up. But as you can see here, the short-term investors so definitely very badly fades down. So my opinion, my personal experience, please just only hold now. Don't starting selling, otherwise this coin will completely go in the garbage. And I will notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to every month every coin in those days especially fails down. So therefore, if you know this, my friend, so kindly, if you have a plan to invest for a long time, so that's a very good time, my friend. You will need to hold now. I hope they will pumps up and they will give you a profit. So hope you will better understand my subscriber. Please research personally, but my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? This is also need to share now, so kindly share it in the comment box. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will just notify you and urgent news give you. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.